Yes, sir.
So we have to start percentage.
परसेंटेज भी तो कर लिया हमने शायद. We have done percentage also.
No, sir.
No, sir.
परसेंटेज नहीं करा था लास्ट क्लास में. लास्ट
No, sir.
टर्म में परसेंट. द लास्ट टर्म नहीं करा.
No, sir.
No, sir.
बेटा कर लिया है, याद करिए आप लोग. We did percentage in the last term. It was there in your syllabus. Percentage भूल गए. चलिए. You have your copies. In your copies, you will see that it was there in your syllabus last term. करा है हमने. Okay. बिल्स भी कर लिया. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस नहीं कराया हमने. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस वी हैव नॉट डन. एवरेज कर लिया.
Sir, sir, I have heard that my sister does not understand profit and loss chapter very nicely. So I think, sir, it is a hard chapter.
So she also has the profit and loss.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Ashwa is in, sorry.
Yes, sir. We
Sir,
have done
it is
percentage.
very clear.
It is clear.
Yes, sir, it is
Sir,
very
we have
clear.
done.
She is showing something. Let me see, Bhakti. What are you showing? Percentage chapter you are showing percentage? देख लो. भक्ति ने दिखा दिया अपनी नोटबुक में.
Sir, कर लिया. So we have
Show it
done.
again. Bhakti, show it again. Show it again. भक्ति बेटा, show the chapter again. अच्छा, बंद कर दिया था. Okay. Percentage. See, this is the chapter. We have done this in last time. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Bhakti, this is your sister.
What we will do?
Bhakti, is this your sister behind you? Is this your
Yes, sir.
sister? Your sister just came in the room.
Sir, she is my younger sister.
I'll call her. Is your younger sister?
Yes, sir.
Call her. I just want to say hi, hello to her. She is in which class?
Sir, she is in 3rd class.
Hello, beta. How are you? How are you?
Hi.
Fine.
Hi.
What's your name?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या? मोनू. श्रुति खंडेलवाल.
Okay. Okay, beta. Bye bye.
How class करो?
Okay, so we are starting the chapter profit and loss. Ashwa, Aiza is in 9th class.
Yes, sir. 9th C.
So she found this chapter very difficult when she was in 7th and 8th.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I heard her I heard my father teaching her and like
Sorry?
again and again and saying that I did not understand that and this. So I think, sir, it is hard. It's a hard
Okay.
chapter.
When your father used to teach her in class 8, then she used to tell your father that I have not understood, I have not understood that. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Sir, profit and loss chapter is very easy.
Yes, sir. In this exercise, yes, sir. Sir, there is only one exercise.
it's easy.
14.1.
So you do this chapter nicely and then tell your sister that, see, I have understood the chapter so easily. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So profit and loss. Okay. Now, okay, so let's start with an example. Let me give you some examples and then we will talk about the terms related to profit and loss. Okay. So first of all, uh, let's assume that you all went to a shop to buy a chocolate. Okay, yes, beta. Abhiyan, do you want to say something?
Sir, I want to ask that these profit and loss are also in fractions.
It could be in fraction also. It could be in decimal also. Okay. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
suppose you went to a shop and you bought a chocolate.
Yes, sir.
You bought a chocolate for rupees 10. Let's assume. Okay. And then
Sir,
what
I
you
did.
huh?
Sir, I didn't understand why she is feeling difficult in that.
Beta,
Sir,
she,
it's easy.
she has not studied the chapter till now. She is saying that her sister finds it difficult. Matlab, when she was in class 8, her sister, she used to find this chapter difficult. He's telling this. Aspa to he has not studied the chapter. So when she will study, then she will tell you whether it is difficult or easy. I hope that she is going to, after studying the chapter, she will tell you that the chapter is very easy, and her sister also. She will tell about this.
Sir, but now I'm sure she has understand it properly.
Up to obviously she is in class 9, so she she must be finding that chapter very easy. Class ninth class maths is
Difficult,
very
easy.
very difficult as compared to 8th. So there is a lot of difference in 8th class maths and 9th class maths. So yeah, I am sure that Isa now must be very good in all these chapters, profit and loss percentage, which he has done in class 8. Okay. So yeah, I was telling you a story, kind of a story example. Suppose you bought a chocolate for rupees 10 from a shop, and then what you did, you tried to play it very smart. You sold the chocolate to your friend. You bought it from a shop, and then you sold the chocolate to your friend.
Sir, I know this, sir. My Mosi tells this very, sir. Sir, very easily. Sir, like what is the profit, sir? If we brought our chocolate and we give to our friend, and what is the profit? Like we have make, sir, like CP, SP, sir.
Okay. So suppose you bought it to bought the chocolate for rupees 10, and then you then you sold it to your friend.
In rupees 15 or anything like that.
Suppose you sold it for rupees 15. Okay. You bought it for rupees 10 and then you sold it for rupees 15. ऐसा क्यों करा वैसे? Why are you
Sir,
selling
to
it for low price?
Sir, to get
sir to
money.
get, yes,
To get
sir.
money,
Sir, profit,
to get some profit.
money,
तो फायदा जो होता है ना, यहाँ
profit.
पे फायदा जो होता है, पैसा, एक्स्ट्रा पैसे कितने मिले जरा बताना मुझे, कितने रुपीस का फायदा हुआ?
Sir, 5 rupees. Sir, 5
5.
rupees profit.
5 रुपीस का फायदा। तो ये जो फायदा होता है इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? प्रॉफिट।
Profit.
दिस इज नोन एज
Profit.
और लॉस क्या होता है? व्हाट इज लॉस? इफ सपोज यू बाय इट फॉर
Sir, घाटा.
if suppose you buy it for rupees 10 from a shop and then you sell it for rupees 8, 10 rupees की खरीदी और 8 rupees में बेच दी, तो लॉस होगा या प्रॉफिट होगा?
Sir, loss हुआ 2 रुपए का.
दो
Sir,
रुपए
loss.
तो नुकसान
Sir,
में चला।
loss.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you are losing money, it is known as loss, and when you are gaining money, that is known as profit. Okay. So it is also known as gain. Profit or gain is the same thing. So when you are
Yes.
gaining money, आपको extra rupees बचते
कुछ
हैं,
मिलना.
that is known as gain or profit.
Gain.
And when you are losing money, it is known as loss. So very simple concept is, now when you are buying something, suppose you are buying something from a shopkeeper. In this example
sir.
which I gave you, you bought the chocolate for how much? How much amount? You bought it for?
Sir, 10.
10.
Sir, 10 rupees.
For 10
Sold
rupees.
at 10, 15. Sir, profit.
So the amount that you have paid to buy it is known as cost price. That is known as cost price. Okay. मतलब जितने का आपने खरीदा, that is known as cost price. And when you are selling it to your friend, you sold it for how much amount? You sold it for rupees 15.
Sir, 15.
So you sold it for rupees 15. So the amount at which you are selling it to your friend, that is known as selling price. So there are two things: cost price and selling price.
And selling price. Yes, sir.
So please note down these terms, all the terms. Cost price, write down the definition of cost price. Cost price is the amount which the shopkeeper buys an article. Shopkeeper क्या कोई भी बंदा. The amount at which an article is bought. So write down this definition what I am writing on. Cost price. First thing. Also known as CP. Short form में क्या बुलाते हैं इसको? CP. Write down the definition: the amount at which an article is bought. हैं? कैसी आवाजें निकालता रहता है ये भरत?
Sir,
Sir,
because I
he
have
never
cough from-
closes. Sir, he never closes his mic. So once he
Yeah.
opens, he never closes.
भरत, turn off your mic.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये बच्चे
Sir,
कह
to
रहे
be
हैं
attentive, sir, I do that.
अटेंटिव तो अलग बात है, यहाँ पे तो सब लोग ये समझ रहे हैं कि तुम्हें माइक ऑफ करना नहीं आता है, बदनामी हो रही है। Turn off your mic. The amount at which an article is bought. ठीक है? That is known as cost price. Selling price. SP. शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या हो गई सेलिंग प्राइस की? SP. The amount at which an article is sold. Amount at which an article is sold. That is known as selling price.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, article means an object. I have written.
It's whatever article, whatever item. It could be item also. Article, just in this case, the example which I gave you, what was the article? In the example which I gave you, the article
Chocolate.
it was a chocolate. Yes, the chocolate was the article in the example which I gave you. Okay, so it could be anything. Article is a common word. Okay. It could be a chair, it could be a table, it could be a chocolate, it could be apple, orange, banana,
Sir wrote.
pizza. अशफा ने अपनी फेवरेट चीज का नाम लिया क्या? What? अशफा?
Sir, pizza only.
Pizza only. देखा? Pizza is Ashfa's favorite thing. भक्ति की फेवरेट चीज क्या है? अभियान की फेवरेट चीज क्या है?
Burger.
हाँ, बर्गर है। बर्गर मैकडोनल्ड का बर्गर या KFC का बर्गर?
Sir, my favorite thing is MC Puffs.
अच्छा, मैकडोनल्ड्स पॉप्स।
Yes,
मैक
sir.
पॉप।
Sir, because sir, in another companies of making these type of things, sir, they use not a very good oil, and sir, KFC has a brand of oil, sir.
Okay. मैक पॉप तो लेकिन मैक पॉप is there in McDonald's and you are saying KFC is a very good one.
Huh? Sir, I did not say it about KFC.
अच्छा अच्छा।
Sir, Domino's pizza.
अच्छा, Domino's pizza. मजा आ रहा है सबको। चलिए। So cost price, selling price, you all have written. So let's talk about the same example again. So I gave you two examples. In one example, you bought the chocolate for ₹10 and then sold it for ₹15. 15 rupees का आपने सेल कर दिया। तो आपको क्या गेन हो रहा है या लॉस हो रहा है? गेन या लॉस क्या हुआ?
Sir,
I
gain.
didn't understand the
Gain.
question.
Again.
क्वेश्चन नहीं, बेटा कोई
Again.
एग्जांपल की बात कर रहा हूँ। गेन हो
Yes,
रहा है।
sir.
So, and in the second example, which I gave, you bought the chocolate for ₹10 and then sold it for ₹8. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Loss या gain?
Loss. Loss.
Sir, loss.
So
Sir,
first,
loss.
can we say that you tell me whether my statement is true or false? The statement that I am going to say now. Okay, be ready. So I am going to ask you a question. You have to tell me whether I am saying right or wrong. Okay, true or false में आंसर देना है। The statement is whenever the selling price क्या था मेरा यहाँ पर? In the first example, what was my selling price?
15 rupees.
Sir, 15 rupees. Sir,
And
cost price and selling price.
what was my cost price in the first example?
Sir,
Sir, 10.
Very
Sir,
good.
thanks.
So now the statement is whenever the selling price is more than cost price. Whenever the selling price is more than
Selling
cost
price
price,
is more than.
then it is a profit.
Yes, sir.
True.
True or false?
True.
Sir, false.
Sir,
False.
true.
Sir, false.
Sir, true.
Sir, true. Sir,
Sir, it
true.
is true.
True. Sir,
True.
true.
True. Sir, because sir, if we will sell it in extra price, so
Then
sir,
we
we
will
will get profit.
Yeah, we will get profit. Very good. The statement is true. So whenever the selling price is more, जब हम ज्यादा रुपए में बेचेंगे तो हमें प्रॉफिट होगा नहीं होगा? कॉमन सेंस वाली बात है.
Yes, sir.
कोई चीज ज्यादा
Yes,
रुपए
sir.
की बेच रहा हूँ, कॉस्ट प्राइस कितना हुआ जितने का मैंने खरीदा, ओके, और मैं उससे ज्यादा का सेल कर रहा हूँ. इफ माय सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर, कॉस्ट प्राइस इज लेस, सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर, ओके, so that means I will have a profit, gain होगा. And second case again, you have to answer in true or false. Whenever my cost price is more than the selling price, यानी कि selling price क्या हो गया, less हो गया. Whenever I have cost price more than the selling price, then it will be a loss. Am I right or wrong?
Sir, true.
Sir, true.
Again true, because
Sir, true.
जब मेरा कॉस्ट प्राइस ज्यादा हो, यानी कि मैंने ज्यादा रुपीस का खरीदा और बेच दिया कम रुपए में, सेलिंग प्राइस इज लेस,
Yes.
ओके. तो सेलिंग
So,
प्राइस
sir,
मेरा जब
we
कम हो गया, दैट मीन मैंने तो पैसे लूज कर दिए, यहाँ पर मेरा क्या हो गया,
Yes.
लॉस हो गया. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द शॉपकीपर्स व्हाट दे डू, व्हाट दे ट्राई टू डू, they try to have a loss or they try to have a gain. All the shopkeepers.
Gain,
Sir,
sir, gain.
gain.
Sir, if
Gain.
they take from factory 5 rupees biscuit and they sold it in 15 rupees, so sir, there is 10 rupees their profit.
And sir, with black marker, they hide the real
Real cost.
price.
Yes,
They
yes.
hide the real cost.
They are very clever, all the shopkeepers. What they do, they buy it for less rupees and then sell it for extra money, for extra
Yes,
amount.
sir.
And
Sell
sir,
it at
sometimes
less more.
they put black charcoal.
But yes, black charcoal, they put a black charcoal and then they hide the price. But that is all okay, because they are also doing so much of hard work. They also want to earn money, like
Yes,
some
this
people,
can.
they do
But
jobs, they do
there
work
is
in
a
some company
stationery
or
shop in my colony, and sir, they sell it at the cost price from which they buy it from factory, not gain, not profit.
Acha, they
Loss.
sell it for same price.
Yes, sir.
There is a shop at
So,
your
sir,
company.
Yes, sir. Mukta Stationers.
What is the name? Sorry.
Sir, Mukta Stationers.
So why they do like this? They
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, they will be not having the
Sir,
profit.
I am telling truth.
but why they do like this?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Acha, you give me an example at what price they, suppose if you're buying a pen. So
Sir, I have buy this Pentonic pen from it, and it is 10 rupees.
and then they sold it for how much amount?
Sir, only 10.
10 rupees only. What is the price written on the pen? What was the price written on the pen?
Sir, 10 it is written only. Or
It
at
is-
the box of this pen, 10 rupees per pen is written.
And he's selling at rupees 10 only.
Yes, sir.
Acha,
Sir, I think each shopkeeper sell the Pentanic pan at 10 only.
Sir, for example, one side is 100 rupee chips and other side is 50 rupees chips. So which one you will take?
Sorry, tell me again. Sorry, Abhiyan.
If there is one side it is 100 rupees and one side it is 50 rupees chips. So which one you will take?
I will not take chips because chips are very unhealthy for the.
Sir, is there a 10 or one notebook for maths.
I will go
That's
and buy
funny.
apples. Sorry, Abhiyan.
Abhiyan, give an example of an apple, not a chips.
Arey beta, let Abhiyan speak. Yes, Abhiyan.
So, sir, which one you will take? For example, the sum.
I will not take chips at all because I don't find chips good for health.
Okay,
Arey,
sir, not chips, it is scale.
Scale. So
Yes, sir.
obviously, if the scale is both the cases, in both the cases, the quality of the scale is same. So I will obviously buy.
Arey, sir, quality is same. Quality is same. He's saying that.
I will buy for the same amount, rupees 50 scale. I will buy. Okay.
Okay, sir. So, if they buy, if they keep the real rate, so more, they will have more sales. So they do like this, not the current amount.
Oh, very clever. Avyan, I have understood what you are trying to say. Avyan is very clever. He is going to become a big businessman in future. He will have his chain of malls. Chain of malls, not only one mall, he will have a chain of malls. At least 10, 20 malls he will have in every city. He's a he's a he has a great mind and he's going to become a big businessman in future. You
Sir,
understand?
this everyone knows that it is not a that much big thing.
So do you understand what he's trying to say? He's saying that if you sell it for less amount, then the
Yes, sir.
customers
Sir,
then the
more
customers
the
buy more.
customer will take
Ah,
it only,
the
and that's
customers
the
will
profit
come to your
sign.
shop. So there are two types of shopkeepers. One shopkeeper is that which sells the
Sir,
thing
that
at
he thinks that a log, sir, this can be the shopkeeper who is trying to take 100, who is saying that take 100 rupees scale. Sir, he should, sir, if he can't buy money because sir, 15 rupees is lesser and the people will take it. And sir, if that one also goes, sir, that one.
Okay. So
Sir, Gagandeep sir has told us a story. Sir, in that story, there was a boy. He saw a very nicely packed chocolate. So his mother gave him only 50 rupees to buy something. And he wanted that chocolate. So that chocolate was of 100 rupees. He asked for it. They told it's for 100 rupees. So he went back home and asked his mother for some more
money.
like rupees. Yes, money. So then he went back and bought that chocolate. When he came home and he unwrapped the chocolate and ate it, he told that it tasted very bad and it should have been of 50 rupees. So that story told that we should never like do something buy
On the basis
something
of
which we
its
think
cover
yes
and
on basis
on
of
the
a
basis of its show and presentation, not to only go for the presentation of something, we have to research about its quality also. This was the main
yes
point.
sir.
Okay, so first find out whether the thing is good from inside. We should not go for things which look good from outside. The thing should be good from inside. So it goes for all the human beings also. It goes for us also. If suppose a human being is well dressed and good looking from outside, it doesn't mean that the human being is good from inside also. So we should not judge anyone on the basis of his or her looks. We should go.
Yes, sir.
We should judge someone on the basis of his knowledge, his nature, all these things. Yes, good story. समझ में आ गई बच्चों को चॉकलेट वाली बातें कितनी जल्दी समझ में आ जाती हैं, है ना? सारी चीजें घूम फिर के चॉकलेट पे ही अटक जाती है दुनिया की। सबके मुंह पे स्माइल आ जाती है चॉकलेट का नाम सुनते ही।
Sir, like a boy, sir, one boy is not having a good face, so he will say that he is not knowledgeable, and one boy who is looking good, he will say that he is knowledgeable, and sir, he will be not. sir, like.
So this doesn't mean, obviously one should not judge anyone on the basis of looks. One should judge everyone on the basis of knowledge and nature, and all these things matter. So that doesn't mean that someone is well dressed, well maintained, or looks good. This doesn't mean that the person is not good from inside also. So obviously anyone could be uh, good in nature from inside as well as outside. One could be good from both the sides, inside and outside. So we should not judge on the basis of that. First, we should know someone well, and then we should make a perception about someone. So yes, we were talking.
Step back to chapter.
Let's get back to the chapter. Abhiyan told us a very good example. Abhiyan is going to be a big businessman. I was telling you about the example given by Abhiyan. So yeah, Ansh Arya, he's trying to answer your story which you told us, that there is a shopkeeper in your colony. He sells the product at the same price. I also wanted to add something in this, that the shopkeeper which is selling the product at the same price, if suppose the price written on the pen is rupees 10 and he's selling for rupees 10 only, that means he's buying it for the less amount. Suppose the price written on a product is, suppose if I show you this box, okay, let me show you, and I will give you a very good example.
Sir, as in the that information of a thing, sir, like in chips packet, sir, in the back it is written that MRP is this.
So in this box, the amount, this is a box of markers. Okay, I bought some markers from a shop, stationery. So the price written is 300. Okay, and will you believe it? I bought it for rupees 280. The price is 300.
Yes,
and
sir.
I bought it for 280.
Sir, only
Yes,
this
this is
is
the price written.
um.
Now my shopkeeper is selling it for loss. Is he selling is he going to have a loss on this? Is he ready to accept his loss? Any shopkeeper?
Sir, both.
Yes, Ansh, you want to say something?
Sir, I am saying that we bought a new car, Hyundai Venue, and next day my father go to Hyundai showroom and bought a kit which contains the cover of the car, the perfume of the car, and other things. So, sir, the MRP was marked with black. These big companies are getting profit, and it was cost 800.
What? Sorry, I have not understood. What are you telling?
Sir, my father bought a car kit which contains the cover of the car, the perfume of the car.
Okay.
So sir, this was the Hyundai car kit, and sir, the MRP was tiered like this. Half of the page was there, and the half of the page was tiered of the box of the kit of MRP part, and it was like 1700.
Okay. Yeah, so some people do like this, but whatever price someone is selling, a shopkeeper is selling. Suppose if shopkeeper is selling, then the less, I am giving you this example. If someone is selling this product for the price with less than the price what is written here, usse bhi kam ka agar if someone is selling, this means that he has bought it for even less amount. Agar the shopkeeper has sold this product to me for rupees 280, that means he must have bought it for rupees 240 or 250. Then only he's selling it for 280. So he must be having a gain. And that is okay. If someone is selling it for some gain, a shopkeeper is selling it for to have some gain, that is okay, because he's doing the hard work. He's running a shop for you all. He's giving you all a service, a facility. So all these things are also important. So how he's going to earn his money, how he's going to earn his bread, how he's going to run his family. So that is okay to do, but no one sells his product for a loss. Most of the time, it is again very rare situation. It is a very rare situation when someone sells the product for a loss. Yes, beta, Bhakti.
So my father gives So my father gives loss to the customers in every material.
Sorry, beta. Yes.
So my father gave loss.
Hmm.
So my father take loss to the customer. Like
Your
in
father has a
one,
shop.
yes sir,
What shop is
paint
that?
shop.
Paint
Paint
shop.
shop.
So he sells the product for a loss. Why?
I don't know. I asked from them, so he is telling he doesn't tell anything. Sir, I take a container, ma'am, it's
Hmm.
this much,
Hmm.
and I see that its price is 80. And then there is one customer.
Uh,
He is also taking this thing, and my father say that give in into 50 rupees. I don't know, and then I asked, he is not telling anything.
okay. So when you will grow up, now you are little small to understand all these things. Business has a lot of
Sir, formalities type. Sir,
no
that.
has a lot of twists and turns, you can say.
Yes,
So
sir, sir.
lot
Sir,
of
I was saying that yeah, formality. Sir,
so
because sir, we have to do
lot
that,
of
and sir,
policies
we
are
have
there
to
in
do that.
business. So all these
Sir, these are the.
are policies of business. So when you grow up, you will understand all these things. You ask your father also. I hope he will tell you all these things, and you will also learn something from your father. It is important. I can give you one more example but that example I think I will give in the next class whenever we have our next class. So the time is over for today. We will meet.
Yes.
Bye, sir. The class is over.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye
Yes.
bye, sir.
Bye, bye,
Bye
sir.
bye,
Have a
sir.
nice day, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, teaching us.
Have a nice day.
Bye.